Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Sarah, and with me, as always, is my co host, John. How's it going today, John?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing well, thanks. Excited to be here. Today's topic is really interesting. It's all about soft washing.
Yes, soft washing. I've heard a bit about it, but honestly, I didn't know much. Why should we even care about this?
Well, soft washing is like the gentle giant of home cleaning. You know, it's a low-pressure method that uses eco-friendly cleaning solutions to remove all that nasty stuff, like dirt, mold, and mildew, without damaging your home.
Oh, so it's like the cuddly teddy bear approach to cleaning? That sounds way better than blasting everything with high pressure.
Exactly. Traditional pressure washing can be super harsh, especially on delicate surfaces. Soft washing is safer for roofs, decks, and siding. Plus, it helps keep your home looking beautiful. Who doesn't want that?
Right? And I love that it's eco-friendly. It's like giving your house a spa day while being nice to the planet.
Totally. And let's not forget about the health benefits. Regular soft washing can remove mold and mildew, making for a healthier living environment. Bye-bye allergies.
So, what's the best way to get started with soft washing? Do we just grab a hose and go for it?
Well, you could do that, but it's usually best to call in the pros, like Housewash PA. They've got the right tools and know-how to get the job done safely and effectively.
Good tip. So, if you're listening and thinking about soft washing, make sure to check out local services and get those estimates.
Absolutely. And remember, keeping your home clean and well-maintained not only boosts curb appeal, but also protects your investment in the long run.
All right, folks, that wraps up our chat about soft washing. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.